Hello guys, and wonderful day, huh? So I'm gonna review, and today I got my BBs for my gun. They're actually UK ARMZS, the brand I bought them from, my gun from. See, you can't see it very well to tell me. And they're kind of in that little grenade look. They got the little things on there.
Yours.
Hey, no.
Oh my.
I'm sorry, Harley, they're not yours. Hey, say hi. Say hi. Okay. Can I do my thing now?
No.
So there's actually two of them. There's red and there's green.
I'd use red than green. Actually, I don't know.
And they're both from UK ARMZS. So yeah, I might as well just put them up now. So
No.
hold on.
Do you miss Yanya?
Huh?
Do you miss Yanya?
Oh
My God!
Jesus. So yeah, there's my Xbox and all that. There's Brody. Say hi, Brody. He's playing Warframe. Say hi, Harley. Or do that, yeah. So, I just making a quick vlog of those grenades. Hold on.
I'm coming.
Well, anyway, these are from UK ARMZS, and they're actually, hold on. It doesn't say how many BBs are in it. Hold on, let me look at it. There's 12 gigs. No. It's gotta be at least there's a lot of BBs in there, but yeah, it's from UK ARMZS. And that's actually the brand I bought the gun from. So I think you just click this and the BBs come out. Harley. They're not yours.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Oh.
Yes.
Be right there.
Yes.
Ooh. Stop. Harley. Oh, good job. You helped save the environment. So yeah, that's about it, guys. That's all I got for you right now. This is part 1. Part 2 will be my gun. That'll be like what, 2 days? And I'm not talking to you. I'm sorry, Harley. What the fuck are you doing? So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video right here. And yeah, so say bye, Brody. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.